our next vacation, my family and I will travel to Cartagena with spend 5. Thus there I will go with my husband and my mother with travel ins. December we are going to stay in a hotel near the beach we are going to visit. The castle of San Felipe Barajas, the walls of Cartagena and the clock tower. We are going to rent a car and take a tour of the city. On this tour, we will visit the Pegasus Pier, Boca Grande Beach, and other tourist attraction. My husband is going to buy perfumes, clothes, and shawls, and is going to buy souvenir for my brother. This will be our best family vacation times.